The rise of aesthetic hobbies. How modern pastimes are evolving in 2025. In 2025, hobbies are no longer just personal escapes or time fillers. They've become aesthetic statements, brand-building tools, and even alternative career starters. This shift reflects the growing importance of visual culture, personal branding, and mental wellness. People are choosing hobbies that not only soothe the mind, but also look great when shared online. Especially in visual-first platforms. It's the age of the visually shareable hobby, and understanding this phenomenon offers insight into how people live, relax, and express themselves today. One of the fastest-growing hobbies is visual journaling, a cross between bullet journaling, scrapbooking, and guided mindfulness. Unlike traditional journaling, which is mostly text-based and private, visual journaling emphasizes layout, color schemes, stickers, sketches, and calligraphy, all crafted for both reflection and presentation. The rise of digital tablets with stylus support has expanded this hobby, making it accessible to a new generation that mixes analog methods with digital tools. The final product is often photographed and shared on platforms like Pinterest, Instagram, and community Discord servers, adding a social layer to a formerly solitary activity. Another surging hobby is cozy tabletop gaming. Particularly solo or co-op narrative games that can be enjoyed without needing a group or competitive element. These games come with illustrated cards, miniature props, and elaborate storytelling mechanics. While full gameplay videos may be outside the podcast format, the visual elements, game boards, character art, and scenario maps can be easily captured in pictures for fire poster-style illustrations. The rise of these games signals a return to tactile play, storytelling immersion, and a screen-free leisure activity that still lends itself to curated visual documentation. A highly relevant 2025 trend is micro-gardening and mini plant-scapes, especially in urban environments where people lack outdoor space. Think desktop terrariums, tiny bonsai setups, and hydroponic window farms. These small-scale gardens are not only calming to maintain, but also lend themselves to spectacular visual content, progress shots, seasonal themes, and aesthetic arrangements. Hobbyists often personalize their plantscapes with small figurines, themed decor, and seasonal color palettes, turning a patch of green into a daily ritual and an art form. The visual potential is enormous, and podcast segments can focus on plant care techniques, design principles, and storytelling around growth cycles. Lastly, creative stationery collecting is booming among Gen Z and young millennials. It's no longer about hoarding supplies. It's about curating a themed collection that reflects personal taste and serves creative expression. Washi tapes, gel pens, rubber stamps, vintage paper, and handcrafted envelopes become part of a rotating aesthetic. Many hobbyists trade items, document pen tests, or build themed mail for pen pals, all of which can be photographed and showcased without needing video footage. This hobby connects nostalgia, sensory satisfaction, and modern design sensibilities. For a podcast, each episode can highlight trends in stationery culture, share listener submissions, or explore the psychology behind collecting and designing with tangible tools.